Orcas, also known as killer whales, are incredibly skilled and greedy hunters with a varied appetite that reflects their adaptability and intelligence. They are apex predators in the ocean, meaning they are at the top of the food chain and have no natural predators. This allows them to feed on a wide range of prey, including fish, seals, seabirds, and even other whales. Orcas hunt in coordinated pods, using sophisticated strategies to capture prey efficiently, showing an intelligence that often surpasses even human expectations. Some orca pods specialize in specific types of prey and have even developed unique hunting techniques passed down through generations, like beaching themselves temporarily to catch seals or using their tails to create waves that knock prey off floating ice. Their resourcefulness and willingness to consume such diverse marine species underscore just how greedy, determined, and adaptable orcas truly are. Orcas, commonly known as killer whales, aren't actually whales at all. Despite their nickname, orcas belong to the dolphin family, which is part of the larger toothed whale suborder called Odontoceti. Dolphins, porpoises, and certain whales fall under this group, but orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family. They share many characteristics with dolphins, such as their advanced intelligence, social behaviors, and use of echolocation to navigate and hunt. Orcas are apex predators, meaning they're at the top of the food chain, hunting a diverse range of prey including fish, seals, and even large whale species. Their misleading name comes from the term killer whale, which originated from sailors observing orcas hunting large whales, leading them to assume they were a type of whale themselves. Today, marine biologists understand orcas' unique place in the animal kingdom as large, powerful dolphins, not whales. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are remarkable in that they are the only known non-human animals to evolve distinct traits based on cultural, rather than purely genetic, influences. This cultural evolution shapes their behaviors, hunting strategies, vocalizations, and social structures, all of which vary widely between different orca groups, known as ecotypes or pods. For example, orcas in one region may specialize in hunting fish using coordinated group techniques, while those in another area may hunt marine mammals, utilizing completely different methods. These behaviors are passed down through generations by teaching and imitation, rather than through genetic inheritance, indicating that orcas have developed unique, learned traditions that define their groups. This reliance on culture for survival and adaptation in their environments sets orcas apart, showing an impressive level of social intelligence and flexibility, much like that found in human societies, making them a fascinating subject for evolutionary studies. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are found in every ocean, from the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the warm, tropical seas near the equator. These adaptable marine mammals thrive in a wide range of environments, including coastal areas, open oceans, and even rivers. Orcas are highly social animals, living in family groups called pods that can range in size from a few individuals to as many as 40 or more. Each pod has unique vocalizations and hunting techniques tailored to its environment, allowing them to prey on a diverse range of species, from fish to seals, and even large whales. Because they occupy such a vast range and exhibit diverse behaviors, orcas are considered apex predators, playing a critical role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems around the world. Their widespread presence also highlights the importance of global conservation efforts for marine life. Orcas are one of only 3 known animal species on Earth that experience menopause, alongside humans and certain species of whales, like pilot whales. This unique trait means that female orcas stop reproducing midway through their lives but can live for several decades after. Menopause in orcas is thought to be an evolutionary adaptation that allows older females to play a significant role in supporting their families, especially their descendants. Post-reproductive females contribute to their pods by sharing their extensive knowledge of hunting grounds and resources, improving the survival rates of their younger relatives. In particular, they often help care for their grandchildren, giving the younger orcas a greater chance of reaching maturity. This familial support and knowledge transfer suggests that menopause might have developed as a survival advantage within complex social structures, where older generations enhance the success and longevity of their pod. Most male orcas, or killer whales, display strong familial bonds and rarely, if ever, leave their mothers throughout their lives. In orca society, matrilineal structures are common, meaning that offspring, especially males, stay with their mother for life. This behavior provides significant advantages to both the mother and her son. Males benefit from staying within the pod, as they receive assistance in hunting and protection from other threats. Additionally, remaining close to their mothers and the extended family allows them to inherit valuable social knowledge essential for survival. For mothers, having a grown son nearby can also be beneficial. Male orcas are generally larger and can help protect the pod, contributing to the group's safety and success. The close, lifelong bond between mother and son is a unique aspect of orca life, highlighting the importance of family connections within their complex social structure. Orca groups, often called killer whales, are highly social animals that live in complex social structures known as pods and communities. These groups are typically divided into family units called pods, which consist of mothers, their offspring, and often multiple generations of related individuals. Each pod has its own unique calls or dialects, which help members recognize and communicate with each other. Multiple pods that share similar dialects or social bonds come together to form a larger group known as a community. Communities tend to occupy specific regions and may have distinct hunting techniques, dietary preferences, and behaviors adapted to their environment. The strong bonds within pods and communities are crucial for orcas' survival, aiding in hunting, protection, and rearing young. This structured social system showcases the intelligence, cooperation, and cultural richness of orca populations around the world. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain in their marine environment. They have no natural predators, making them one of the ocean's most formidable hunters. Orcas are highly intelligent, social animals that often hunt in pods, groups, employing sophisticated hunting techniques and teamwork to capture a wide range of prey, including fish, seals, sea lions, and even whales. Their diet can vary significantly depending on their location and the specific hunting skills developed within each pod, often passed down through generations. Known for their powerful physical capabilities and high adaptability, orcas use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the vast ocean waters. The absence of predators and their diverse diet allow orcas to thrive in various habitats, from the icy Arctic regions to the temperate and tropical oceans, making them truly versatile and dominant marine mammals. There is more than one type of orca, and scientists have identified several distinct ecotypes that differ in behavior, diet, and even appearance. These variations are most notable in regions like the North Pacific, where orcas are divided into resident, transient, and offshore types. Resident orcas are known for their fish-based diet, often preying on salmon, and they live in close-knit, family-oriented groups. In contrast, transient orcas, also called Biggs orcas, focus on hunting marine mammals such as seals, sea lions, and porpoises. They travel in smaller, more fluid social groups and are known for their stealthy hunting techniques. Offshore orcas, the least studied of the three, are believed to eat fish and sharks and live far from shore. In the southern hemisphere, different orca types exist as well, with some specializing in hunting penguins or large whales. Each ecotype has evolved unique adaptations to thrive in its specific environment. Orcas, or killer whales, possess the second heaviest brain among marine mammals, second only to the sperm whale. An orca's brain weighs approximately 5.6 kilograms, 12.3 pounds, which is substantial considering the animal's size and the fact that marine mammals generally have smaller brains relative to their body size compared to terrestrial mammals. The orca's brain is highly developed, with complex structures and a large neocortex, which is associated with advanced cognitive functions such as problem-solving, communication, and social behavior. This significant brain size is reflective of their sophisticated hunting strategies, social dynamics, and ability to communicate across vast oceanic distances using distinct vocalizations. Orcas are also known for their impressive memory and learning abilities, which allow them to adapt to a variety of environments and hunt different prey, from fish to marine mammals. This intelligence, combined with their brain size, makes orcas one of the most cognitively advanced animals in the ocean. A female orca, or killer whale, gives birth to one calf approximately every 5 years. This slow reproduction rate is typical among orcas, which are known for their long lifespans and extended periods of maternal care. Over the course of her life, an orca mother typically gives birth to an average of 5 calves. This low birth rate is significant in maintaining a stable population but also makes orcas vulnerable to environmental threats, as any disturbance can impact calf survival or reduce reproductive opportunities. Each calf spends several years with its mother, learning essential survival skills such as hunting and social behaviors. This strong maternal bond and extended period of learning are crucial for the calf's development and future success. However, due to factors like pollution, prey scarcity, and climate change, orca populations face challenges that threaten their reproduction and survival, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts. Killer whales, also known as orcas, have around 45 robust teeth, each measuring approximately 7.6 centimeters, 3 inches, in length. These teeth are perfectly adapted for their carnivorous diet, allowing them to grasp, tear, and consume a variety of prey, from fish and squid to seals and even larger marine mammals. Unlike some predators, orcas don't chew their food. Instead, they use their teeth to capture and tear apart prey into manageable pieces before swallowing it whole. Each tooth is cone-shaped and interlocks with the teeth of the opposite jaw, which gives them a powerful grip. Killer whales have remarkable hunting strategies, often working in coordinated groups or pods, to outmaneuver and capture prey. Their dental structure and cooperative behaviors make them one of the ocean's most efficient and formidable predators, capable of hunting across diverse marine environments around the world. Killer whales, or orcas, are apex predators known to prey on a variety of marine life, including sharks. While they primarily feed on fish and marine mammals, they have developed a fascinating hunting technique specifically for sharks. Orcas are highly intelligent and coordinated hunters, often working in groups to take down large and challenging prey. When targeting sharks, they have been observed flipping them upside down, a behavior that induces tonic immobility, a temporary state of paralysis in sharks. This clever tactic allows orcas to immobilize their prey, making it easier to attack without the risk of injury from the shark's sharp teeth. Some orcas specifically target species like the great white shark, which has a high-fat liver, a preferred source of nutrients. These interactions reveal the killer whale's adaptability and intelligence, reinforcing its position at the top of the ocean's food chain and its role in marine ecosystems. Orcas, or killer whales, are highly intelligent marine mammals and apex predators in the ocean. Unlike many land animals, orcas lack the olfactory bulbs and nerves that are essential for detecting smells. This absence means that orcas cannot smell in the way humans or many terrestrial animals can. In the marine environment, where olfaction, the sense of smell, is less significant than other senses, orcas rely heavily on their acute hearing and advanced echolocation abilities to navigate, communicate, and hunt. Echolocation allows them to emit sounds that bounce off objects, helping them to see their surroundings with sound, even in murky or dark waters. Additionally, their excellent eyesight and complex social behaviors compensate for the lack of smell, making them formidable hunters and effective communicators. This sensory adaptation highlights how different environments can shape the evolution of animal senses to suit specific ecological needs. Some animals have the remarkable ability to sleep with one eye open, a phenomenon known as Unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. This unique adaptation allows only half of the brain to rest at a time while the other half remains alert. This enables animals, like certain birds, dolphins, and marine mammals, to maintain vigilance against potential threats even during rest. For instance, migratory birds can sleep mid-flight with one eye open, staying aware of obstacles and predators. Similarly, dolphins need to remain semi-alert to periodically come up for air while they sleep. By keeping one eye open, these animals can balance rest with survival, as one side of the brain watches over their environment for any signs of danger. This adaptation showcases nature's remarkable way of ensuring these animals can rest while still staying safe from predators or environmental hazards. As of recent counts, 52 orcas are currently held in captivity worldwide, primarily in marine parks and aquariums. These orcas live in environments vastly different from their natural ocean habitats, often confined to tanks that limit their ability to swim long distances as they would in the wild. Captivity can also lead to both physical and psychological issues, as orcas are highly intelligent and social animals used to living in complex family structures in the ocean. While some argue that captive orcas help with education and conservation efforts, there is a growing movement advocating for their release or transfer to marine sanctuaries where they can experience a more natural environment. Several countries have banned or restricted the captivity of orcas, responding to public outcry over ethical concerns and emerging scientific understanding about the needs and welfare of these remarkable creatures. In the wild, these animals can live remarkably long lives, often reaching between 50 and 80 years, depending on factors like their species, environment, and lifestyle. This impressive lifespan allows them to witness and adapt to numerous environmental changes over decades, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. Factors contributing to such longevity include access to natural resources, lower human interference, and a balanced ecosystem that provides ample food and shelter. Animals with longer lifespans in the wild typically possess strong survival skills, developed instincts, and often have few natural predators. Their long lives are also a testament to the stability of their habitats, as healthier, undisturbed ecosystems tend to support longer lifespans in wild species. However, these life expectancies can vary widely between individuals and populations, influenced by factors such as climate, food availability, and potential threats from disease or habitat loss due to human activity. Many animals have an incredible ability to control the flow of blood to their organs, a mechanism known as vasoregulation. This biological feature allows them to redirect blood to specific areas of the body based on need, helping them to adapt to various environmental or physiological conditions. For example, during intense physical activity, an animal can increase blood flow to muscles to supply them with more oxygen and nutrients, enhancing endurance and performance. In colder conditions, some animals reduce blood flow to extremities to conserve heat and maintain core body temperature, reducing the risk of hypothermia. Marine mammals, like seals and whales, exhibit this trait when diving, redirecting blood away from the limbs and focusing it on essential organs, allowing them to stay submerged for extended periods. This adaptation not only aids survival but also highlights the complexity and efficiency of animal physiology in response to external challenges. Animals that spend most of their time searching for food do so because their survival largely depends on finding enough to sustain themselves and their offspring. In many species, this activity takes up a majority of their day, especially for those with high metabolic rates or limited access to resources. For instance, herbivores may graze or forage constantly to get sufficient nutrients from plants, while predators might need to stalk, chase, or wait in ambush for their prey. Food availability can also vary greatly depending on the environment, prompting some animals to migrate or adapt specific strategies, such as storing food for later use. Animals like bears prepare by eating extra food before hibernation, while squirrels collect and hide nuts for winter. This constant search for food influences their behavior, social structure, and even physical adaptations, enabling them to thrive in diverse and often challenging ecosystems. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are among the ocean's most skilled and powerful predators, renowned for their impressive swimming speed and agility. They can reach speeds of up to 34 miles per hour, 55 kilometers per hour, which allows them to hunt a variety of prey, including fish, seals, and even whales. This speed is facilitated by their streamlined, torpedo-shaped bodies and strong tails, which enable quick acceleration and sharp turns. Orcas are also highly social animals, often traveling in pods and using cooperative hunting techniques to corral or confuse prey. Their ability to swim swiftly and maneuver precisely aids in these group strategies, making them efficient hunters. Additionally, orcas possess a complex system of echolocation, enabling them to communicate, navigate, and locate food even in murky waters. Their impressive speed and sophisticated social behaviors contribute to their reputation as apex predators in marine ecosystems. Orcas are highly intelligent and versatile predators known for their complex hunting techniques in the ocean. While they are primarily aquatic animals, there have been rare observations and accounts that suggest orcas might be capable of hunting on land, particularly in coastal regions. In some cases, orcas have been observed hunting seals and seabirds by launching themselves out of the water and onto land or ice floes. They can use their incredible strength and agility to beach themselves momentarily in order to catch prey, but this is a dangerous tactic, as they must return to the water quickly to avoid injury or death. This hunting behavior highlights orcas' adaptability and their ability to manipulate their environment to secure food. However, such instances are uncommon, and their primary hunting ground remains the ocean. The orcas' intelligence, social structure, and teamwork make them one of the most efficient predators on Earth. Orcas are apex predators in the ocean, renowned for their impressive hunting skills and social structures. One of their most striking physical features is their teeth. Each tooth can measure up to 4 inches long, providing them with the ability to catch and hold onto prey with powerful precision. These large, conical teeth are designed for grabbing and tearing through tough hides, making orcas efficient hunters capable of taking down large animals such as seals, sea lions, and even whales. Orcas have 40 to 56 teeth, with each one shaped to suit their carnivorous diet. The teeth are sharp and strong, essential for their role as top predators in marine ecosystems. Despite their fearsome reputation, orcas are also known for their highly social behavior, living in family groups known as pods. These pods rely on cooperation and sophisticated hunting strategies, which are passed down through generations. Orcas possess a complex and sophisticated system of communication that can be considered their own language. This communication system is used to convey information about hunting, navigation, and social bonding within their pods. Each pod, which consists of closely related individuals, has its own distinct set of vocalizations or dialects. These sounds include clicks, whistles, and calls, which serve various purposes such as coordinating hunting strategies, alerting others to potential threats, and maintaining social relationships. Research suggests that these vocalizations are not only used for immediate communication but also passed down through generations, indicating a form of cultural transmission. Orcas' ability to communicate across different pods and adapt their sounds depending on the situation demonstrates a level of linguistic complexity that is rare in the animal kingdom. Their language reflects the intricate social structures and behaviors that are characteristic of orca societies. Orcas are the second most widespread mammals on Earth, found in all of the world's oceans. These powerful predators thrive in diverse environments, from the cold waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the warmer coastal regions and even tropical waters. Their wide distribution is due to their adaptability and diverse diet, which includes fish, squid, and marine mammals such as seals and even whales. Orcas live in tight-knit family groups called pods, and their social structure is complex, with distinct dialects and behaviors that vary by region. While they are second only to humans in terms of geographical distribution, orcas are also known for their intelligence and hunting strategies, which often involve cooperation within pods. Despite being widespread, they face threats from pollution, habitat loss, and depletion of prey species, which impact their populations in certain regions. Orcas are apex predators in the marine ecosystem, meaning they have no natural enemies. Due to their intelligence, strength, and social structure, they dominate the food chain in their habitats. Orcas are known for their ability to hunt a wide range of prey, including fish, seals, and even other whale species. Their hunting tactics are highly coordinated, often involving complex strategies executed by pods or family groups that work together to capture their prey. Their physical prowess, coupled with their sophisticated communication skills, makes orcas one of the most effective predators in the ocean. Despite their fearsome reputation, orcas' role in the ecosystem is vital, as they help regulate populations of other marine species, ensuring the balance of marine ecosystems. These animals' lack of natural predators is a testament to their position as one of the ocean's most powerful creatures.